How's it going, Game Changers? My name is Evans Edouard. I am a clinical success director and a coder at Restore Skills. So today, we're going to be using rock climbing ruins to work on activity tolerance. We're going to start here on the right here with the settings, and we're going to adjust our levels to level 4. So with this, you can upgrade or downgrade the activity for the player, and this is a great way to monitor their activity tolerance. Over here, we'll keep the difficulty beginner, and Show Treasure Map is a great tool that will pop up on the left side and show you how far you are along in the game. So let's hit save. This is also a great activity you can use in standing. But right now we're sitting down, of course. Perfect. So let's hit pause. All right. Hopefully that helped you all. Have a great day.